Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to do part 3 of the Shim Sham Shimmy, steps 1 through 4. So we're going to do the entire part 3 all put together for you. So let's just jump right into it. If you have not yet learned the steps 1 through 4 for part 3, I would recommend watching those videos first and then coming back to do this one. Otherwise, you'll be a little bit lost. So you can find those linked in my description box below under the Shim Sham Shimmy playlist. And again, that's part 3, steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you don't know any parts of the Shim Sham Shimmy, I would recommend starting with actually part 1, step 1, and then working your way down through the Shim Sham Shimmy, because the variations build on part 1. So part 2 and part 3 build on part 1. Part 1 is the original. And then we change it and mix it up to get the different versions, the different variations. So let's go ahead and get started here. And I'm just going to run it through. I'm not going to say the steps because you can go ahead and watch the other videos if you need me to say the steps while you're doing them. This is just going to be a run through of steps 1 through 4 for part 3. Here we go. Starting with the Shim Sham. Starts on 8 again, remember? So it starts on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry about that. I made a little mistake at the half break. I wanted to go into a tip instead of a step. So sometimes it happens. Your brain wants to do something different than what your feet are trying to do. So hopefully it didn't mess you up too much, but that was the full part 3 of the Shim Sham Shimmy, steps 1 through 4. Excuse me. So it starts on 8. Runs through the Shim Sham, into the crossover, into the tack Annie, into the half break. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song or step suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.